Special Design channel has made a unique garage design. This garage design is very unique because of its location, which is an unusual place. This garage is located in a ground in a forest. The location of the garage is very hidden among the trees. It's designed like a secret agent headquarters, like in an action movie. To be able to access the underground garage, you must go through an entrance, then enter into an alley. This alley toward the ground. At the end of the alley is the garage entrance. The underground garage is a large garage, so this garage can accommodate more than 100 cars. The dimensions of the garage are 60 times 60 meters square. This place is very spacious. If you dream of owning this touring garage someday, you may use our design.